Welcome back. I hope you stimulate good your head, your face, around the eye, so you are ready to absorb these exercises. Again, exercise is very simple, but I explain them how it should be made. It should be made in two positions. One position, we make this physically, it means with the open eyes. So when your eyes open, we make the exercises. And next part, we do the same exercise with the closed eyes. Why it's so important? I explain in such a way that limitation of the movement when you are open the eyes and close the eyes are different. With the open eyes, we have limitation because we have the subject around us. If we close our eye, so there is no limitation, no subject, and our eyes start to rotate in different position, much more flexible. That is why very important. We repeat these exercises 2 times with open eyes and closed eyes. And we start with a very small, it's a pre-exercise. It's not number 1, it's pre-exercise. Put big eye and slim the eye. Big eye, small eye. Big eye, small eye. Big eye, small eye. And last time, big eye, small eye. Very good. Blinking, take the deep breath. Let's go. Very good. Exercise number 1. We sit comfortable. Look up. Not move the head down. To the right. To the left. Up, down, to the right, to the left, up, down, to the right, to the left, up, down, to the right, to the left, up, down, to the right, to the left. Blinking, smiling. Take the deep breath, let's go. Exercise number 2. It's called butterfly. So we look up right corner, down left corner, up left corner, down right corner, up right corner, down left corner, up left corner, down right corner. Just we make the butterfly with our eye. Not movement of the head, only eye is moving. 3-4 times. And change the direction. Okay, blinking. And smile happily. Very good. Exercise number 3. I call this rabbit eye. So rabbits have some tendency to squeeze the eye in one direction. So we look in the between the eyebrows, and then we just look in the tip and eyebrow again, up, nose tip, between the eyebrow, 3-4 times. Very important. When you do these exercises, nobody should disturb you. No telephone connection. No knocking the door, just to put in the door a small message, don't disturb, doing the exercises. So, make the big eye, we look between the eyebrow, and then we put our eyes to the tip of the nose, between the eyebrow, tip of the nose, between the eyebrow, tip of the nose, last time, eyebrow, tip of the nose. Blinking, smiling. Take the deep breath. Let's go. Okay, it was not so complicated. Next exercise, it's called spiral. So we just fixed our eyes in the tip, and then we make the spiral, which is coming bigger, bigger, and bigger. And then when it's so big, it starts to be smaller, 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 and in the end, it's looking in the tip of the nose. So just fix your eyes in the tip of the nose and start to draw by eye spiral, which is increasing. Start to be bigger, 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 include all of the objects around. Very good. and then start to be smaller, 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 and in the end in the tip of the nose. And we start to make this spiral in other. We make this to the right, now it's to the left. To the left is bigger, 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 and then smaller, 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 smaller. And again, in the tip of the nose, blinking, smiling. Let's go. Okay, we make the break for 5 minutes, and you remember take a little bit water, and we come back, and then I show exercises, which is very easy. We meet again. Hi.